Hey guys, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to cut a hole through my headlight and do an intake for my turbo because that lines right up with the right hand side. So I'll be able to do kind of like a cold air intake setup. Maybe I'll make a box, maybe I won't, but I'm going right through this side. So I bought a diamond tip hole saw, which I've never used one of these, but I guess this is what you need to go through glass. We're going to see how well it works. So see how it goes, and let's get started. Okay, so apparently the trick to using one of these is you drill through some cardboard first, and then that'll give you a hole. You can hold that up to the headlight, and it'll hold the bit in place because there's no pilot bit with a diamond bit with the hole saw. So we'll try and drill through this thing now. Alright, so I got my template, and now I'm going to get my headlight wet, kind of line up for the center.
The first tee shot there is right on the beach, and it's sort of on like and what you hit out over is a public beach, and the fairway is on the other side of that. Now, what's on that?
That's the first bit. That's cool.
So that's pretty cool. There's the chunk of glass. There's the clean hole in the headlight. And now I'm just gonna go through the second one, I guess. So time to keep on keeping on. Broke that one a little.
Oh, did we? Oh, yeah, right there, yeah.
So I broke the second one a little bit, but we now have a hole to the back. So I guess I'll just mark it up, hold it, Pete.
Make the most out of your car or boat.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, go by Danes.
Oh, did you fart again?
Oh my god.
Oh, holy shit, dude. What did you eat? What did you eat, dog? Holy shit.
What would be kind of cool, although I'm not going to do this, this is too much effort, I don't care that much, is if I like took this element and put it in the middle of the PVC tube by dropping this side.
Oh, so that you have a light coming out of the...
Yeah. So check this out. The edge just it's not broken, but it's falling out of, like, there's nothing to hold it in.
Oh, right. I see what you're saying. So that's why this came out, this piece of glass?
Yeah.
Was that the second layer of glass anyways?
Yeah.
And that one you don't really care about, right?
No.
You just need... Because you're putting PVC straight through.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, at that point it's an airtight chamber anyway.
Yeah, it's going to be sealed to the outside.
Yeah. So you really only care about the outside glass, because that you need to connect to.
Yeah. Yeah, it's in, but it's not in right.
Guy who's the best turkey hunter in the state of Alabama. We had a wild elk hunter, a Green Beret lieutenant. We had a venture capitalist in New Orleans.
So another goal of this project is that my angel eyes stay.
So that's the
I've got the LED halos on this, yeah.
Now would you sync this so it's flush?
You'll see what's about to happen. Alright, so I got this thing through the front now, as you can see. And now I just need to cut the back, so I'm going to grab a different hole saw, cut the back open, and keep building my headlight. But so far, it seems like for about 11 bucks on Amazon right there, you too can ruin your glass E36 headlights. So.
Listening to 90.9 WBUR FM Boston. Home of Boston's
Cover
largest
your ears.
newsroom. 92.7 WBUH.
It's about to get loud.
9.1 W. Found that in areas close to the green spaces, the number of people who reported being depressed went down. The poorer the neighborhood, the more pronounced they felt. The results are published on Gamma Network Open. Lisa NPR News.
Fiat Chrysler has named former Jeep Division head Mike Manley as the new CEO after his longtime leader, Sergio Marchionne's health deteriorated dramatically after surgery. The 66-year-old became CEO.
It's going to be rough to try and clean out the thing on my headlight now.
Oh yeah. Vacuum? Air compressor? One of those two things?
I'm optimistic. And I know it's just
Yeah, I might have to get some gold spray paint.
makes sense.
Yeah.
Spray paint the tube.
Several exams,
Yeah.
all scheduled for the same day.
Now the question is, do I plug the mic in?
Now I just need to clean up the clean up the housing. It's all set. Pretty cool. Looks good. So we're gonna clean it out, and I'll show you guys the final product once it's all said and done. All right, just slide in the last piece. Got my aluminum chunk.
From the Science Foundation. Since 1985, supporting advances in science, education, and the arts towards a better, more just society. More information is available at sciencefoundation.org.
There you go, all lined up.
From the John D. and Catherine T. MacArthur Foundation.
It's nice in there. I'm just gonna put a little silicone around that bead, and
More just version
yeah, that's lined up real well with the top now.
at mathfound.org. And from the E36 Foundation.
This is 90.9 WBUR. Right now it's 60.
Hey guys, all done with the headlight. Came out pretty well. There it is on the car. The inside doesn't match the outside, but it's kind of whatever. Still looks cool. It's all sealed up. Looks alright on the car. And that should help get some good airflow into the headlight. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. You can catch me on Instagram at Lowristocrat, and like, subscribe. Bye.